go to the kitchen. I turn on the light. I open the window. I wash my hands. I dry my hands. I take a cup. I take a plate. I take a bowl. I get a fork. I get a spoon. I pour water into glass. I drink some water. I open the fridge. I take out the milk. I pour the milk. I drink the milk. I take my medicine. I take an egg. I crack the egg. I whisk the eggs. I heat the pan. I add some oil. I fry the eggs. I wash the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I put the food in the pan. I cook the food. I stir the food. I taste the food. It tastes good. I add some salt. I turn off the stove. I put the food dot on the plate. I eat my meal. I chew slowly. I enjoy my food. I drink more water. I put the dishes in the sink. I wash the dishes. I rinse the dishes. I dry the dishes. I put the dishes away. I wipe the table. I clean the counter. I turn off the light. I close the fridge. I leave the kitchen. I'm making breakfast. I'm cooking at home. The food smells good. I'm done in the kitchen.